What is a dangling modifier? To understand dangling modifiers, we must first review a grammar rule. That rule is as follows. Whenever a modifier opens a sentence, the subject that it modifies must immediately follow. A modifier can be a word or a phrase. Let's take a look at an example. Upon entering the doctor's office, a skeleton jumped out at me. What is happening according to the sentence? Even though, from a common sense standpoint, we might assume that the speaker is surprised by a skeleton that he sees while he enters the doctor's office, the sentence itself tells a different story. According to the logic of the sentence's structure, the one entering the doctor's office is not the speaker, but the skeleton. Terrifying. To correct this sentence and put ourselves at ease, we need to move the speaker so that they follow the modifier. Observe. Upon entering the doctor's office, I was surprised to see a skeleton. With this change, we can see the speaker's original intent, that they were the ones entering the doctor's office. Whenever the subject of the modifier is named in the sentence and in the wrong place, we have a dangling modifier. Sometimes the subject may not be named at all. Observe. Coming back from the gym, my shirt was covered in sweat. As we learned before, this sentence literally says that my shirt is coming back from the gym. Because the person who is actually coming back from the gym is not named, to correct the sentence, we need to add them. Coming back from the gym, I was wearing a shirt covered in sweat.
You need to subscribe to the channel that I'd advise you. It's Coburn Classroom.